Hey, this is Dylan again at 6 in the morning. How's
I'm
it going?
going to bed.
I don't know what to talk about on this one.
I'm going to do my hair.
It's about... I'm not even sure what it is. But look. It's daylight outside. You know what that means? Because we stayed up all night. Oh, something's going on over there. I don't know what it is. Do you know what it is? No, you don't. Because you're internet people. Watching me. On YouTube. Doing this right now. Isn't that crazy? That you're doing this? Wow. Is it weird if I see little dots flying around sometimes? Just like, especially when I'm upside down. They flood to my eyes and they move around like they're little tiny people. And they're just moving around. And then they multiply and they're shooting around everywhere. And then I get back up and I start talking to someone and they go away. And this wiggly line goes across by. I'm like, what's that? Stupid, right? But you probably don't want to hear anymore else, so see you later on Adventures with Dylan at 6 in the morning.